Hello guys, welcome back to another drone flight of True Legends. Today we are here in North Sheen in the London Borough of Richmond upon Thames. Without further ado, let's take off. Oh, there they got shook. I didn't mean to. So yeah, what we're going to do, we're going to go up to the max height and then we're going to do a 360 photo and then we can explore a North Sheen. Let's not go to the full height, we're just going to do it here. Only put one stick on, let me put that on. And then we'll just zip around North Sheen. Alright, 360 photo is now complete, let's just zip around at North Sheen. So let's first, there's a little roundabout over here. I just done a drone flight in East Sheen or Mortlake. Near that area, I don't know what to call that drone flight. I might call it, I don't know what's more known, Mortlake or East Sheen. Anyway, the sun was still out, so I thought I might as well quickly, and I fully charged my mini 3 battery, so I might as well use it. So we're here, look at that, nice shots. Gonna go around this roundabout. Sunny in this area, but it's not sunny here, even though we're in the same area basically. There was another car park here. I didn't know that was closed off. I was trying to see where that was and I realised, hang on, that's closed off, and it is. There's gates all around it. So that's why I couldn't take off from there. So look, there's the Currys. The old Currys, look at that. I mean, obviously now it's called Curry's PC World. They collabed. Before it was two separate joints. There's a separate thing called Curry's and then a separate thing called PC World, and they're all joined. But then I've never seen that in a long time. Curry's. There's a separate PC World as well. Mad. It's like even when I was flying in what's that place called? Sydenham. I was flying in Sydenham and I saw like something on top of Sainsbury's, which is the old joint. Superfoods. I can't remember what it was called, but something along those lines. So check out this area down here. Only problem is it's a bit cloudy, but the good thing is that when it's a bit cloudy like this, it's a bit cooler as well. So we're getting some nice cooler weather, as well as a bit of clouds, a bit of cloud cover. Here in the sunny Richmond upon Thames. I've flown pretty much a lot of places in this borough already now, at this point. I mean, I was going to fly in Wandsworth Borough, Putney, but then there was a no flying zone due to London heliport. But there is places, some parts of Putney is not called enough by no flying zone, like the west side of Putney is alright, and Roehampton. Unfortunately, that area, I couldn't find any decent place to take off from there yet. Like, I didn't find it. Like, it's like Dalston, I can't find any decent place to take off from where I can have a nice shot of the sky so I can keep the drone in range. There's no decent spot, but I think I found a little spot in Dalston. I might do that next time, next few drone flights, and I might do that in Putney as well. I'm going to find there's little places in Putney where I can take off from. So 3 things for my drone flight. It has to not be in an FRZ, flight restricted zone, sorry. Should be in a flight restricted zone. Should be a nice place to take off, and there should be a lot in that area so that we get a nice shot of things. And there's a level crossing over here, railway crossing. I walked past that. It's quite interesting. I think the bridge has gone down now, so cars have to wait here while the South Western Railway train is going to cross. the South Western Railway train is going to cross through here, so we're going to see that in a bit. Let's see the train. Where's it coming from? Westbound or eastbound? So you can see the train coming here. Obviously they have to close it off even if the train's far, for safety reasons. But there's a train actually coming here. No, there isn't. It's coming from the west. What we'll do, we'll go down to that area towards the train. We'll get a shot of it. Go through the crossing. Go through the level crossing. Look at that. And as soon as the train passes, the traffic's going to start moving again. The bridge is going to go up. Not bridge, I mean it's like London Bridge, isn't it? Where the crossing's going to open up. Let's see it open up. They wait for the train to pass and they make sure, and then it's going to go up. When's it going to go up? I don't. I'm not seeing it go up. Should go down a little bit so you can get a nice shot of it. Let's get a shot of it from here. Let's go proper low down. Where's the train? Oh, it's birds, look at that.
Is this on TikTok?
No, YouTube. Yeah.
What's your account?
One True Legend.
One True Legend?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll check it out.
We'll check it out.
South Western Railway, another train going through the crossing. Oh, you know what? Whenever I fly low, birds come close to it, so just go up a little bit so then they don't get affected by it all. So now they completely lost the drone now, so calm. So they're flying, they're running. The crossing's coming up back up now. So that always, whenever I fly low, the birds always come and attack it. But every time I fly really high, no such thing, bruv. That's a really nice shot, look at that. Oh, they're coming again now for the drone, so I'm just gonna fly high now from now on. See, look at that, they're coming for the drone. We don't want to attack it. We don't want to get hit. We don't want the birds to get hit, so just gonna fly high. I don't know why they come for the drone though. They think it's like another bird, or they think it's like some kind of threat. I'm not sure why, but you know, birds are like that, innit? They don't see a flying small object that size of them every day, so that's why they like, what's this? And then they come and attack it. Just fly high and then birds never attack it, literally. I've done hundreds of drone flights flying at this height. They don't attack it at all, but whenever I fly low, like what I just did right now, they always come for it, literally. So if you do get bird attacks with the drone, people just say put red tape over it, that scares them away, but actually that's not really that effective. It does affect it in some kind of way, but flying high is the best way. But if you want to get low down shots, then yeah, go for it, put red tape on there, that should help. But I fly high. Whenever I fly high, they never attack it. So we've got the car park right here, so where we're flying from. Didn't get shot of that yet. We should have done it, innit? Nice little area. got the district line, which runs through here. Look at that, nice little shot. Flying towards the roundabout. Look at that, nice little shot. Gonna go down here. Red and blue car. Like, whenever you see those two together, like, it reminds you of different colours, like, say, like different countries. I mean, there's no red and blue flag, but it just kind of looks contrasty, innit? So that influences how the shot looks like, what colours you see. That literally influences the whole photo and the video, the whole frame. Let's go towards this area down here. Got a bridge down here. Let's come back towards here. Where should we go? Should we go towards the other side? Good thing the sun's come out now properly. Nice little shots. What was that all about? Guess that car sounds, got some squeaking noises. Let's come back towards it. Sunny shot seems short-lived because it's a bit cloudy now. Like this side. Check out the neighbourhood of Sheen, North Sheen. Let's just go towards. Sun's literally beating on my neck now, beaming on my neck. You know what, when you wear sunscreen, one thing people miss is literally putting it in the back of the neck, because that's where it gets beamed on the most. That gets neglected the most, and that's where you got to put sunscreen, because I put sunscreen at the back of my neck. And yeah, we've got a swimming pool right over here. Look at that, really interesting. Nice way to cool off in this heat. We're getting a nice breeze and we're getting sunshine as well. Let's go towards down here. It's gonna get cloudy in a bit. You can see the cloud coming. See, these shots look like a movie, seriously. Yeah, clouds come now. Cloud cover. Get a shot of this bridge area. We've been there already. Should we get a low down shot down here? Why not? Birds are back to that area. I'm going to try and land in that area because it's not that busy here. But then we have problems with the pigeons. I mean, they're not going to attack the drone, but they do get shook when the drone comes close to them. I'll try and go towards there instead, towards the road, on the side of the road, I mean. It's a nice area to fly, isn't it? Here in southwest London, sunny southwest London. Let's get a shot down here. What's this building over that side? Yeah, you know what, let's land the drone now. Sun's come out. Oh, it's gonna get shot. Let's get one last shot of the Sainsbury's area, which is where we are. Let's get a static shot of this quickly. Right, let's land the drone now. As we get the static shot of this. That plane is bare loud, yeah. It's very loud when it lands. I don't know how it makes that sound. Maybe it's something to do when the landing brakes come out, because it's approaching Heathrow Airport. It's crazy, isn't it? How it makes that sound. Alright, let's land the drone now. I'm here. See, birds still got shook. I'm miles away from them, and they still got shook. Why? Anyway, guys, that was my amazing drone flight here in North Sheen, in the London Borough of Richmond upon Thames, in southwest London. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, guys, I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.